it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this colour hair from this colour hair. I am just going to do a little voiceover of the dyeing process, so I'll talk you through everything that I did and how I achieved this colour. So to start off, to refresh my roots, I used the Shrine Bleach kit. Inside the kit you get a mixing bowl, you get the developing lotion, you get 2 bleach powders, and you get a set of gloves. To mix this up, all you do is fill up 60ml of the developing lotion and then add in 1 sachet of the powder. Mix that well, and then the consistency will look a little bit like this. 1 sachet of the bleaching powder with the 60ml of the developing lotion worked perfect for my roots. Literally the exact amount that I needed, so I know that I'm going to get another use out of this, which is amazing to get 2 uses out of 1 box. For the root bleach, I always section my hair into 4 sections, so just imagine it as like 4 quarters. And I will always start at the back corner. Always take really thin sections just to make sure that you're covering all of the hair. You don't want to miss any little bits out, otherwise you will end up with little dark patches. And also make sure that you don't overlap any of the bleach on to previously bleached hair, so just try and keep it on just the roots and the roots only. So I start at the back, then I finish off at the front, and then I finish off very lastly around the hairline. So I leave this on for around about an hour. I can't really say a set time because I just watch the process just to make sure that my hair is taken properly, and then you can kind of tell when it's ready to come off because your hair will go like a pale yellow. And yeah, that's the bleaching process more or less done. As you can see from this little after shot, this bleach covers my roots absolutely perfectly. It always ends up such an amazing colour. You can see that I have got slight difference in between the roots and the slight bit pink left on the ends of my hair. That is because all of the pink didn't completely wash out before I done my roots. I still had a tiny little bit in, but that will be fine for covering with the colour that I'm going to cover with. So on to the peach. All you're going to do for this one is fill the bowl up to the fill line of conditioner. I always use the Shrine conditioner. It is amazing. It leaves your hair feeling so soft. It's like a treatment on your hair while you're dyeing it. 2 in 1. It's amazing. And then this time I went for 30 drops because I wanted to try and do it as bright as I could. I wanted the nice bright orange / peach colour. Just be careful that you're not using a full pipette as 1 drop. It is just tiny little droplets that class as 1. So yeah, mix that all up, and then just the same process. This time I started on the front of my hair. It doesn't really make a difference with this colour. You can start at the front, back, wherever you want to do. I just started at the front, and then just made sure all the hair is covered nice and evenly. And then all you need to do with this one is leave it on for 10 minutes, and then that is ready to wash off. You don't need to wash off with any shampoo, any conditioner. You just rinse the whole thing off and then style your hair as usual, and then that's it. I'm absolutely obsessed with the colour that's came out. I love this. It's going to fade off to such an amazing colour peach as well. I'm so excited. So I'm going to leave all of the links to everything that I used down below in the description box if you would like to go and check any of them out. So I hope you enjoyed this hair video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.